Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to verify 18 plus in Avakin Life. Avakin Life requires 18 plus verification for certain content, rooms and interactions to ensure a safe experience. In order to verify 18 plus, first of all launch open Avakin Life on your device. Once you're in the home page after logging in, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the top right corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, click on the human icon on the left hand corner, which will open up the account button. Scroll down from the account menu and click on verify 18 plus account. Click on the continue button. In order to verify, you'll need to go ahead and confirm your age in an instant. You must be 18 or above to create or access age-verified apartments. Click on the Continue button and then go through the consents, check on all of these boxes and click on Continue. Now you'll need to go ahead and verify your account by scanning your face. Give permission to your device's camera by tapping on Allow or Allow while using app, and you'll then come across this page. Here you can go ahead and scan your face in the frame. After you are done uploading your face, click on Purchase Verification at the bottom. Now, in order to verify your age, you'll need to go ahead and purchase Age Verified features. Select one of the packages from the menu. You can go ahead and explore around the features where you can also find 55% off and 65% off, or this might also vary depending upon your region. After selecting one of the options, tap on Buy Now and follow through the instructions. After you've done it successfully, after making the payments displayed at the bottom, you'll then be able to verify your 18 plus status in Avakin Life. This ensures that you can enjoy age-appropriate content while following community guidelines and safety rules. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.